Place the Vizio TV on a stable surface so we can work on the Vizio TV comfortably. Make sure the Vizio TV is powered on and the Vizio TV home screen is visible. Take a close look at the Wi-Fi indicator on the Vizio TV network settings menu. If the Vizio TV shows no available networks, don't worry, we'll fix that step by step. Start by grabbing the remote that controls the Vizio TV. Press the menu button on the Vizio TV remote to open the Vizio TV settings menu. Use the navigation buttons to scroll to Network on the Vizio TV screen. Select Network to display all available Wi-Fi networks on the Vizio TV. If the Vizio TV is not showing any networks, highlight Refresh List on the Vizio TV. Wait a few seconds and check if the Vizio TV now displays your Wi-Fi network. If the Vizio TV still doesn't show any networks, we'll restart the Vizio TV. Press the power button on the Vizio TV remote to turn the Vizio TV off. Unplug the Vizio TV's power cable from the wall outlet. With the Vizio TV unplugged, press and hold the power button on the Vizio TV for 15 seconds. Release the button and wait for the Vizio TV to fully discharge. Plug the Vizio TV back into the wall outlet. Turn the Vizio TV back on using the Vizio TV remote. Return to the network settings menu on the Vizio TV again. If the Wi-Fi still doesn't appear, check if the router is powered on near the Vizio TV. Move the router closer to the Vizio TV for a stronger signal. Restart the router while keeping the Vizio TV turned on. Wait for the router lights to stabilize before reconnecting the Vizio TV. Refresh the network list again on the Vizio TV. When the Vizio TV shows your Wi-Fi network, highlight it. Carefully enter the Wi-Fi password using the Vizio TV remote. Confirm the password to allow the Vizio TV to connect. Wait a moment to see if the Vizio TV displays connected. If the Vizio TV says connection failed, we'll try another approach. Go back to the network menu on the Vizio TV. Select Test Connection to run a network diagnostic on the Vizio TV. If the Vizio TV reports weak signal, adjust the router position toward the Vizio TV. Avoid placing the router behind walls or far from the Vizio TV. Try lifting the router higher for a clearer path to the Vizio TV. Run the Test Connection again on the Vizio TV. If the Vizio TV still cannot connect, we'll switch to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. Many Vizio TV models work better with 2.4 GHz networks instead of 5 GHz networks. Change your router's broadcast mode and try reconnecting the Vizio TV. Refresh the Wi-Fi list again on the Vizio TV. Select the 2.4 GHz network and re-enter the password into the Vizio TV. Wait for the Vizio TV to show connected. If the Vizio TV still fails, don't worry, we'll reset network settings on the Vizio TV. Open the Vizio TV menu again and select System. Scroll to Reset and Admin on the Vizio TV. Select Reset Network to clear saved Wi-Fi configurations on the Vizio TV. Confirm the action and wait for the Vizio TV to restart the network module. Go back to the network menu once the Vizio TV restarts. Refresh the Wi-Fi list on the Vizio TV again. Enter your Wi-Fi password again when the Vizio TV shows your network. Wait for the Vizio TV to confirm the connection. If the Vizio TV connects now, test an app to confirm internet access. If apps load, the Vizio TV Wi-Fi issue is resolved. If apps still don't load, we'll perform a soft reset on the Vizio TV. Press and hold the power button on the Vizio TV for 10 seconds. Let go and allow the Vizio TV to restart automatically. Once the Vizio TV restarts, test the apps again. If the apps now load, the Vizio TV connection is fully restored. If not, check if your Wi-Fi password is correct for the Vizio TV. As a final measure, perform a full factory reset on the Vizio TV if needed. After the reset, reconnect the Vizio TV to Wi-Fi using fresh setup steps. Enjoy your streaming. Your Vizio TV Wi-Fi issue should now be fixed.